This is a montage of me building armored truck. No montage, I'm just building it. You're gonna have to watch. Step 1. I'll be back. I have the tape. Where'd I put my light bulb? Not there. I found the light bulb. More tape. This is a poor man's light bulb. Because I ain't got the money to put one here. Perfect. I got two of these. They go on the very end bits. This is an armored truck. I got it yesterday. I thought to record a video for the YouTube channel. Someone messaged me. What was I saying? Oh yeah, I'm building this. Blah blah blah. I built helicopter yesterday. Took me like 10 minutes. Here's helicopter. These are wood builds I like making because I can't have Legos. I'm in a camper, so Legos, well, they'll fall apart. These, I guess they're an exception. Ask my mom. I don't understand her either. Now to jam this into place until it fits. Just like that, we have one piece on. Going for the second one. There we go. We got a 2-in-1 deal at Kmart. Kmart clown. Wait, is that copyrighted? Will I have to take that out? Am I gonna get sued for $1 billion? I didn't know Kmart was a real place whenever I was first talking about it, because I saw it. No, it must not be copyrighted because you got people talking about it on YouTube. Alright, so that's the first part. Right. Now, for the second part. Oh, we need two? missing a couple pieces. Oh wait, I don't need one of those. Okay. So, where did it go? There it is. Put more of these things in here. That's pretty easy. Alright, we got both of those. I think now we're moving on to these pieces. Flip it around. Two big, one small. Ow, mother flipper. Stop spinning. You're not a wheel yet. You can fit further in there, so give it a try, Goofy. Did I get wood on my blanket? Son of a gun. Alright. Get down. Put that here. That's the first one. Alright, let's get the other one. The other one. These are really fun to build. They're time consuming, so. Wait a minute, wasn't I supposed to be doing my school? Oh wait, I'm using my tablet to record. Now I can do my schoolwork later. Mom already says I have all day to do it. So I got all day to do it. So I'm gonna do this first. Alright, first piece done. At least I think it is. Why are these still so loose? They're nowhere near. After I got one done, oh, excuse me. go straight. Yes. This will be the other side. Well, where was that one? Okay, these are parallel to each other. So this has to be turned the other way. That stuff's right on there. Why was that one so much easier? Got that on. Wait, did we put the other wheels on? I don't know. Is it telling me to? Is it telling me not to? What the fuck is happening? Okay, I might just be like blindsided or something. Well, I'm kind of blind. Something broke one of my contacts. I accidentally chipped it, so I ended up having to wear my glasses again, which sucks. Because when your glasses aren't your prescription, they hurt. They will give you headaches. Sucks nuts, but hey. Gotta do what you gotta do. I can't do anything about it till I get my new ones. Come on. There you go. Oh, I guess it's a face reveal, I don't know. I'm too lazy to end up having to stream every day to like 1 million followers. Yeah, I'm pretty lazy. Well, except for my schoolwork. When it comes to schoolwork, I get that done. I've got flipping straight A's and a 4.0. What the? There you go. Yeah. Dang it, that one chipped so badly. Entire half of the thing's gone, basically. Well, it's fine, it's just a wheel. Just drive. It slides, it don't drive though. Alright, let's see. Guess more of these. I was talking to my friend, let's call him Billy. I don't know if he wants his flipping name on the internet. Well, Billy got these new Lego sets. The one-piece ones, the ones that just released. The Going Merry and Arlong. He pre-ordered them. Flipping hundreds of dollars. They got delayed so much, they had to wait like a month for them to arrive. Which, yeah, in turn sucks for him, but the moment he got them, he flipping finished building them like first day. That guy is such a unit. Where's this one? First thing. Front or back? Okay, back. I'm assuming it just goes down into here. Like magic, because this is all magic. We're on the Harry Potter world after all. You know Hogwarts Legacy? I'm not a game like designer or anything. I know how hard they work to make it, but truth be told, it's not the best game. I played it for a good week. I didn't really like it. Yeah, it's gonna have some controversy to it, but hey. Ow. It's my opinion. What are you gonna do about it? I have the right of speech. Well, I'll just speak my mind. think it was the best game. Honestly, if you're looking for good games about wizards, you want to look for something like, I don't know. I don't know many. Few I do know, people probably gonna say like, oh, that's not a real wizard game. Oh, who cares? If it's better, it's better. Can you stay put? Thank you. So it should look like that. If I have you facing this way. If I have you facing this way. Stay, motherfucker. Those are all the pieces assembled, except for this one. This one goes on the back, far side, facing this way. That's probably your connector piece. Perfect. First step done. Second step, we're building a gun. I like guns. It's America. Who doesn't like a gun? It's what you use to protect your household from intruders. Step 1. Take a crap on your grandma. Okay. Step 1 seems pretty cool. Grandma wouldn't enjoy it though. She'd flip and start screaming and crying. A piece of wood from home. Well, I get sandpaper. If it's pointing straight, it would go like the top, yeah, like that. Yep. And going like this. Right. Another. Downward. You're gonna fit. You're gonna like it. So the air conditioning shut off. It's hot. Shut up. Go. I'm recording, so unless you want to be on YouTube. You didn't like being on YouTube the last time.
Where's your phone?
Phone, my tablet's right there. It's facing this entire room.
That entire space?
No, basically the entire room. They can see that, your bed, not on your bed, but they can see here. What do you need?
Show them the tank I made.
It's a tank. I'm not doing that area, I'm building something.
I know,
Go.
but it's a pretty cool
Make your own
tank.
video.
I'm not
Go.
able to.
Yes, you are.
Let
Go.
me. You're mean.
No, I'm not.
I made a pretty cool tank.
You're not getting ad revenue. I'm not even getting paid for this.
How is that ad revenue? I just want to show off my tank.
Ellie, they don't want to see your tank. They want to see me build this.
Thank you.
Quit.
Fine.
Crap.
You're the bread, buddy. Oh,
Yeah, I am your buddy.
you're my brother, not my buddy.
All your buddies are all of your boyfriends. You got like 50. Yeah, you do. You can too have 50. You wanna know how? Because you have. How does this work? It's too wide. Space is too wide to keep it all in shit. Well, everything's correct. The guns. Everything's in there right. Bus gun. Step 3. Hold. Mother of guacamole. Alright. Perfect. We're all gonna latch everything in now. This. Yeah, that goes in there. After attaching 2 of these small things. Okay, these are the last ones of these. Fit. Okay, cool. The gun can rotate. That's cool. First part of step 3 done. Alright, now I need part A2. This piece goes where? Did I build it upside down? Oh, you stay, but you come off. Does its job well. How the fuck does this fit? Guess I gotta take the middle piece out. Then take one by one those 2 pieces out. Right. Now we flip it, just like so. Don't pay attention to that broken part on it, because that's not getting fixed. I don't even need to look at the instructions for this. So this goes in. Then you put this in. Then you put this in. Then you grab this. Now I need to know which way it faces. That's the difficult part. If I don't put it the right way, it might end up just getting stuck and breaking everything. Hey, quit sneezing. It's bad for you. These 2 pieces facing backwards from the gun. Then fine. How the flip did it do a backflip? No, come back. I need you. You're my one and only piece to make this entire gun stick together. You're like that one guy in a team on COD that tells everyone what to do. And he's actually like a good team leader. And everyone appointed him as team leader. It's not some annoying little kid spouting about, oh, I'm better than you. And he's already died 58 times, 0 kills. The one kill he got was actually just killing his teammate. Oh crap, that's coming up. Found out what the problem was real quick. How the flip did this happen? Yep. Finished product should look like this. Yeah, it looks like that. And you gotta put it in like this, so it's facing upwards, facing upwards. Good. Had to make sure. Was this like an aiming module? That couldn't be the full fit. There we go. Spacing downwards, right? Yep. Ow. My back. Alright. Here's what we gotta look at in the instructions. Gotta try to find what the problem is. The problem is the fact that my fingers hurt. I can't cry about that right now. I'm going to finish this. Step 1. Put those 2 pieces onto the main body. Front of the main body. Pieces close together. Wait, on these 2? What's it for this part? The base outwards from the front. Quit being wonky. Just attach this. Alright, which way do I attach it? Side face. Attach it just like this? Wait, does it go under or over top? finished product should look like that. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Alright, step 4. Step 1, you start with this piece. You put that through the guy? It doesn't explain. Where does it go? Those 3 things. In here. Then down. If you don't start fitting, I swear to God, I'll get Nami over here and she'll beat the living crap out of you for stealing her money. It'll be like trying to fight Gear 5 Luffy. Except it's a girl. There's no problem with her being a girl or anything, but it's Nami, and she's gonna kill you while Luffy would spare you. Ow. I almost just fell. Does this go here? Like an older piece of stuff? Two of these. These go on the back?
Are you still recording?
Yes.
Oh yeah, we're going to the pool later today.
Okay. Two of these facing this way. I'm assuming they would go, I don't know, like this. Yeah. Wait. Okay. Yes, just exactly like this. Thought I had it wrong and I put something wrong. Oh, sorry, gotta keep that camera shot. You guys gotta make sure you can see. Very nice. Fit, go down, come on. Oh crap, I'm breaking the wheels. So I'm trying to get that to fit so badly that it's falling out of the way. Alright, let me just snap you into place. just like so. Alright, 4. Wasn't much to it. 5, okay. 5, you have this, this, start with this going this side on the back. Wait, back or front? Back. I'm not sure I got that right. Oh, wait. Square. Then this little piece. Let's detach that from the truck first. Now we can put it go through. Stupid piece of poopy. Gonna beat the living crap. Holy crap, why do they make it so hard to put in there? I'll be back. Hammer! Oh, it's pinching my fingers. Holy crap. It's not perfectly aligned. Let's turn it a little. There we go. Now it is. Still doesn't want to go in easily. Oh wait, did my tablet really fall? Sorry, I have no clue how long you were stuck. Well, probably after I started banging on this. Well, I got this little piece. It doesn't want to go in. I've got to put it in the back of the truck. Attach it to this. Because that's the back side. Then the front side will have this piece on the front. I guess it's headlights. Fall over again. Sorry for the inconvenience. Can't do nothing about it. No, we don't have clamps. Dad probably has one, but it's at work. She's slowly, steadily going in. Come on, folks, let's do this, shall we? It wasn't supposed to be so difficult. I'm not talking about building a truck, but like putting these pieces together. They even like give you a thing on the back that says, hey, if you're having trouble putting them together, you can use paper, make it a tighter fit. this side. Give it a little tap. It's supposed to fit. It really doesn't want to fit. Like, seriously. Let's try putting it in. Oh, that works splendidly. Truck. It. Wait. Alright. Steps are complete. This is the armored truck. You watched me build it. 43-minute video. Pretty cool, pretty cool. It's all made out of wood. No nails, screws, anything. Just pieces fitting in pieces. I honestly don't. Oh wait, those are like covers. Okay. Oh, these back ones are like hatches, so you crawl in the truck. Since it has no doors, it's all armored. These are armored hatches that you'd latch from the inside. That back piece is also like a door. Probably more like a service panel though. Or an exit, a quick exit, like emergency. Alright, see you guys next time I build something there. Open Pokemon.